In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send USDC from Coinbase to Binance. If you want to move your USDC safely between these two platforms, the most important thing is to go slowly and make sure every detail matches exactly. A small mistake, especially with the network, can cause your funds to be delayed or even lost. So this process is really all about careful checking. To begin, open Binance and go to the crypto deposit section for USDC. This is where Binance will generate the wallet details you need in order to receive your funds. Once you're on the USDC deposit page, choose the network you want to use. For example, you might see options like Ethereum, also called ERC2020 or Solana. The network you choose here matters a lot because you'll need to use that exact same network again when sending from Coinbase. After selecting the network, Binance will show you a deposit address. Copy that address carefully. It's a good habit to use the copy button rather than typing it manually, since wallet addresses are long and even one wrong character can send funds to the wrong place. Before moving on, take one more look at the selected network so you're completely sure which one you chose. Next, open Coinbase and go to the Send and Receive section. Choose USDC as the asset you want to send, then paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. After that, make sure the network on Coinbase matches the one you selected on Binance exactly. This is the step you never want to rush. If Binance is expecting USDC on Ethereum, then Coinbase must send it on Ethereum. If Binance is expecting it on Solana, then Coinbase must send it on Solana. Once everything matches, enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer. Before sending, review the transaction details carefully, including the destination address, the selected network, and any fees that Coinbase shows you. Fees can vary depending on the network, so it's worth checking before you confirm. If all the information looks correct, click Send Now to complete the transfer. After that, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain, and the time it takes to arrive can depend on the network you used and current traffic levels. If you're transferring a large amount, a helpful extra precaution is to send a small test amount first, then send the rest once you confirm it arrives successfully.